case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the early 2000s, a dispute arose over the sale of Texas farming lands, which led to a landmark legal battle, Frady v. May, in the Texas Courts of Appeals. The lawsuit revolved around Bart May, a real estate agent who fought to receive his broker's commission following the sale of a farm owned by the Frady family. The dispute began when Bart May found a prospective buyer named Nichols for the Fradys farm. Nichols signed a contract with the Fradys, which included a provision designating a commission for May, with an important caveat that the contract would be null and void if not closed by a stipulated date. Unfortunately, May did not manage to finalize an extension for the initial contract, and it expired. In a twist of fate, Nichols and the Fradys then proceeded to sign a second contract, this time without provision for May's commission. Despite May's argument of entitlement, the Fradys counter-argued that his commission was inextricably linked to the contractual details of the original, now defunct agreement. At the lower level, the court sided with May, determining that the Fradys did not have a case for denying May's commission just because the sale was not concluded under the original contract. This decision was not taken lightly by the Fradys, who challenged the sufficiency of the evidence presented at trial and pointed to legal precedents to justify their refusal to pay May. Despite their appeals, the Texas Courts of Appeals affirmed the lower court's decision, ruling that May deserved his commission. The court clarified that the language in the original commission agreement was intended to facilitate the transfer of equitable title rather than to tie the commission directly to the original sale contract. The court further rejected the Fradys' claims that May's commission was dependent on the closing of the initial contract, establishing that May did secure a buyer and carried on negotiations beyond waived contractual closing dates. Ultimately, the court sided with May and left a precedent in its wake. The Fradys' challenge to the legal and factual sufficiency of the evidence was dismissed, and the earlier judgment secured by May was preserved.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class behind.